Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about Vidpresent, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Build eye-catching video presentations in just a few clicks, huge time saver. 50 high quality templates to choose from, so you always end up with a great design, ready to use templates. Use human face without any worries. Cues. This is the easiest way to record a video. Time to boost personal branding. Very easy to use. No learning curve whatsoever. Newbie friendly. No need to remember the script as you get visual clues in the slides. Easiest video recording ever. Highly intuitive and easy to master without any training necessary. User friendly. Let's see how easily you can create superior, high-quality video presentations in just a few clicks.
Hey guys, Harshal this side. Thank you very much for checking out this demo video of Vidpresent. Now, Vidpresent is the first app that creates highly persuasive business video presentations as well as PPT presentations for your business within few clicks. It really doesn't matter if you are an online business or an offline business, everyone needs a video, and these video presentations are built for getting sales. Now let's dive into Vidpresent. Once you are logged in, you will come to this dashboard where you will see two options to start with. First one is create a video presentation, and the second one is create a PPT presentation. Now let's start with video presentations for now. Once you click on this button, you will be taken to the screen where you do basic settings for creating your first video presentation. You just need to input your campaign name and select one option from over here. As we know, in 2022 and beyond, it's very important to create videos in any format such as landscape, square view or portrait view. Plus we have a fourth option to auto create videos if you don't want to show your face. Now let's start with landscape and check all the amazing features to create a video presentation. Now once you are on the screen, you can start creating your video presentation within 3 simple steps. The first one is to choose template. Now we have tons of templates available over here, just like these. Alright, so we have a lot of local niche templates available over here as well, such as attorney, dog care, bakery, and all the local niche possible. We have covered most of them. If you have any requirement of a new template, then we'll be happy to add it into the application just for you. Definitely. So the first thing is choosing a template. Then we'll go ahead and add the content from over here. Now as you can see, there you can add multiple slides from over here, just like that. Now we'll go ahead and quickly add 5 slides, and we'll start editing each slide one by one. So I'll quickly add some text over here. Then you can add images from Unsplash, Pixel, Pixabay, as well as if you have used an account, you can definitely go ahead and connect that over here. Okay, let's go ahead and put up an image over here. Or you can add emojis, GIFs, and you can also upload your own images from here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and quickly add images for the demo purpose. Now slide number 2. We'll also select images from different sources over here. So as you can see, it's very easy to create these slides. You can add images, you can add emojis as well. Go to slide number 5 now. Slide 5, or any text you want to add. Right? Once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and click on the next button, and you will be taken to a practice and record section where you will actually practice and record your video. Alright, so first of all, so there are a couple of things that you need to know over here, such as we have 3 types of modes to create a presentation. The first one is only the face mode. If you want to start your video, you can start with this one. Then if you want to show slide material on the right hand side or on the left hand side depending on the template, you can start with that too. Then you can zoom in the specific images on a particular slide so that you can explain important points in more detail. You can zoom out and show them both as well. Now if you have multiple cameras, then they will be shown over here. Just select the appropriate one, and then there is a mirror mode available as well. So for the templates with right hand side visual cues, you can use this, or for the left hand side you can use this one as well. Okay, then you just need to start recording from over here. Before that, we have a slider that works with the arrows, so you can easily toggle between the slides. Okay, so let's go ahead and start slide number 1. Now as you can see, the recording has started already. Now you need to explain about the slide number 1. Hey, hi, this is slide number 1. Then this slide number 2, explain about the slide number 2 points. You can zoom in if you like. You can explain about more important details, then zoom out, then go to next slide again, and like that you can go ahead and complete the whole presentations. Okay, once you are done, you just need to click on done recording button. Now you get 2 options. First one is record again. Then you can also select to trim the video. So no one is perfect, right? So whenever you are recording a video, you always get and all those things, all those stops. You can just remove the stops from over here. Okay, once you are satisfied, you can just go ahead and save this video, and you will be done. Once your video is ready, you will get an option to download, or you will get a direct copy link, or you can also embed this video directly. The video will load from our server. Okay, then you also get an option to record the video again if you're not satisfied at all, or you can directly share on social media from over here. So just in 3 steps. The first one is choose a template, then you can add content, then you can practice and record to create your awesome video presentations. Similarly, we have tons of done for you campaigns for local niche, like over here. As you can see, we have like childcare, dog training, locksmith, ice cream, gym, dance school, event management. We have already created all the slides material in here. So you just need to select your done for you campaign. You just need to preview that, and or directly you can use it and create your video presentation, saving you tons of time. As you can see, we have tons of done for you material over here. So you don't need to create your campaign from scratch. You just go ahead and select appropriate one and get started. Right. Similarly, we have PPT presentations over here as well for different niche. Okay, you can use those directly for creating your normal PPT presentations. Vidpresent is currently on a big launch discount, so act now and I will see you on the inside. Thank you.
So don't waste your time and get instant access now. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.